What is up, everyone? Welcome to another daily trading hub video. In this video, I'm just going to be doing my analysis on DXY. What am I seeing for DXY? I'm looking for a selling opportunity on DXY. Why am I looking for a selling opportunity? Let's get into the analysis and let's see how the breakdown goes. So scaling all the way up to the monthly time frame on DXY. On a monthly time frame, we have our monthly upper zone, lower zone, we have our monthly mid-range zone, and then we have our monthly upper zone here on DXY. So what has price been doing? So on the monthly time frame, price was initially in this range. Price was initially in this upper range. Let me just switch it up to the upper range. Yes, price was initially in this range, but what eventually happened? The price just had a big drop. We have a retest of the mid-range zone, and then we're coming all the way down here to on DXY, potentially all the way to 94.5 on the lower zone. So currently on DXY, we are having a couple of retests. So price has dropped down. We have a retest here, and then we currently have price coming all the way to the downside. Another thing that we're seeing on this monthly time frame is this potential evening star that is forming here on the monthly mid-range zone, indicating that there are more reversal sellers trying to come all the way to the downside here on DXY. So we have a couple of hours more to go, 15 hours more to go for this candle to confirm this evening star and this potential reversal all the way down to the downside on DXY. So I'm looking for more selling opportunities for DXY. Then we go all the way to our weekly time frame. On our weekly time frame, we have our weekly mid-range zone. Our weekly mid-range zone, which has been acting as support. So price has been in this range for a very long minute. Price has been in this range for a very long while. Every time price gets here, we have consolidation happening here. So now price is coming all the way down here, first of all, to touch this weekly mid-range zone before eventually coming all the way to the downside. So as usual, we are looking for a selling opportunity on DXY. Another reason for this is the weekly is in the downtrend. So you can see that there's been a series of selling opportunities, and then price wants to come down to touch this weekly mid-range zone before we head all the way down to the monthly lower zone. So let's just scale down to our daily time frame. This is a beautiful trend on DXY, a beautiful downtrend on DXY. So you can see here on a daily, we have our zones. We have our upper zone, which price has broken down to come down to the mid-range zone, and we are coming to touch the lower zone here on the monthly time frame here on DXY. So it's a very, very nice trend on DXY. It's a very beautiful trend. Look at it again. We have our lower low, we have our lower high, another lower low, another lower high. Price has created another lower low. We are going to put in another lower high before eventually price starts breaking all the way to the downside again. So what am I looking for here? I'll be potentially waiting for confirmation here. When price gets here, we're waiting for my confirmation. Let's just scale down to our 4-hour time frame and then see how we can take advantage of this move. So like I said, on the 4-hour time frame, we also have a beautiful downtrend. Very, very nice downtrend. We have a lower low. We have price coming in to put in a potential lower high, which will serve as a retest. And when price gets here, we'll be looking out for our confirmation candles, which is our bearish pin bar, our evening star, or our bearish engulfing candle. And then we are selling all the way to the downside here on DXY. So this is a very beautiful opportunity. I've already sent a pending order to my Telegram. I've already posted a pending order to my Telegram. If you want to join, you can DM me for the link, and we'll see how this trade plays out. So to the next one, peace. I'm out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Daily Trading Hub. I drop on the analysis and setups there. To the next one, peace, and we're out.